Welcome to the Daily App Show. Today we have an application for your iPhone as well as your iPod Touch called BIKI, Custom Diet Plan and Tools. Open up the application. It's going to sign you into your profile and give you an overview of your day and how many calories that you can consume. This is giving us a nice custom meal plan based upon the preferences that we put in the beginning, such as our weight and height and gender and all of that information. So you can scroll down the screen and see what you need to eat for the day, starting off with a breakfast, then a lunch, then dinner, and then based upon how many calories you can consume for the day, a snack 1 and also a snack 2. You see your goal calories and you see the total you've eaten, and you can scroll through and view everything for all your meal plans. Now, once you've eaten something, you can check something off. So if I eat oatmeal, I can check that off just by tapping on the checkbox, and it marks it off as eaten, and the calories are now tallied. Keep in mind that you can check off individual items, or if you eat your entire breakfast plan, you can tap the check mark next to breakfast plan to go ahead and check everything off. Now, say if there's a food on here that you don't really particularly care for, and maybe it's not something that you like, you can always substitute that item. See where it says berries fresh frozen? If I tap on the plus button next to that, I can actually substitute that food. All I have to do is scroll through the list of pre-assigned foods for this category, and then I can add one. So maybe I like blueberries instead. You see 3/4 of a cup. I can choose, so if I tap choose, you see it selects and adds that out there. So now if I hit the plus button again, I can even add in my own item. So if I tap add item, I can pick from the menu such as search, manual add, or favorites. Search and add, so if I tap in here, I can now search for a field, or I can even search by brands and restaurants. Come back out, I can even do a manual add, where I can input all the food name, the quantity, the calories, and also all the nutritional information to add that food. And then favorites, once I set up some favorites in the menu, I'll be able to add in any of my favorite foods as well. So now that I've got that done, you can check off all my breakfast. I've eaten my breakfast, and now what I need to do is move on. So I'm going to scroll down here. Here I come to my lunch, and now I can see what's next for lunch. I can even tap on the plus button and delete an item if I didn't want to have that item present anymore. Go ahead and tap choose, and you see now the item has been deleted. Once you've completed your meal plan for the day, you can also tap at the top menu these arrow buttons, and it's going to take you to tomorrow's next meal plan, and so on and so forth. And you'll notice that on some of these, it's going to automatically update your preferences based upon what you did a day before. So the app's going to learn maybe you don't like blueberries, so it'll take blueberries out of the menus for your following days and add in what you selected for that day. So that's a great way that's going to make a custom diet for you. Now there's a My Saved Custom Diet. If we tap on the More and come into My Saved Custom Diet, what it's going to do is it's going to give us the diet plan for the whole week. So I can scroll through on Sunday and see everything that I'm going to be able to have on Sunday, and then Monday, and then swipe over to the right and it gives me 2 more days. So I can view my whole week at a glance and know what's coming up. So you notice that each day it kind of gives me a different meal plan for each day, so that way I'm not eating the same thing and I'm not going to get burned out on all the food that I'm going to be eating. So I have a wide variety in here. I can even share this plan on Facebook by tapping on Facebook in the top right hand corner, and then even email it by tapping the mail button. So we'll go ahead and come back out, and it's going to bring us back into the More, where we can start saving in our favorite food, viewing some recipes. So if I tap on recipes, I have some nice healthy recipes that I can read and view and cook. I have a progress calendar. I can even add in some pictures so I can keep track of my progress. I view any help, and then tell a friend. And then in our account settings, we can add in some personal information, sync with our iCloud, and even change some of the colors of the application to maybe suit our needs better. So come back out in the last tab that we have tips. So we have some tips to help us set us up for success, so we can read through, scroll through and read all these, and there's some really nice tips for helping you succeed with your diet. Lose weight effectively with BIKI Pro. You can see how the experts keep it off, and you can get benefits such as fine-tuning your diet with simple changes. You can get expert assessments. You can get recommended diets and custom diets for your needs. You can view other dietary apps, and you can correct your diet mistakes like starving and stuffing guides and food choices with an accurate meal plan. And here you can see calorie recommendations, meal planners, 2 progress trackers. You can get all the benefits of BIKI Pro with an in-app purchase. Scroll down to Get Started, and here you can select the monthly subscription plan you'd like to use. Now these are one-time payments, so all you do is select the monthly plan you'd like. So if I went to 3 months, I select $2.99. It charges me just one time for the 3 months. Once my 3 months are up, I'll come back in here and purchase that package again. Once again, this application is called BIKI, Custom Diet Planning Tools. If you like it, be sure and pick it up in the App Store today.